Yeah, we got it. Let's see. Is that? No way. No way. That's gonna be 10x of a fireball this time. 10x. 10x. Thank you. New round. Best of luck. Congratulations, 743 of you getting that win. Well done. And we are back to the wheel. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, newcomers to Lightning Storm Eve is my name. And we're spinning the wheel together today. Well, we will get another one, I suppose. Maybe. If we keep on going this way, we have a couple of multipliers in the middle. 2x1, 2x17, 7x15. How about it? Will the X chasers will get lucky today? Yeah, baby. 7x on 15, the battery charger. Let's go charge up some batteries with 7x from the wheel. So X chasers, you're in it for fun as well. 525x is the highest multiplier. Let's upgrade that. 7x from the wheel. Sheesh, baby. 525x right here, right now. Not gonna be the 105. Let's move on. Skip those little ones. Yup, good. How about that 280 though? No. Ooh, the global multiplier. Just think about it. Not this time. Can we skip 14, please? Good. Ooh, heart attack. 210, how about it? Nah. 525, please. Good. Suspense is high. Not gonna go for 70. Please skip down 20.1. Woo, baby! 525x of a multiplier right here, right now. Last battery, caught it. Nice catch. Let's go back. 841 of you getting that win. What did I told you? Congratulations. Let's make another spin, guys. Let's keep on rolling.